All right, welcome to video 3.3, Venn diagrams and subsets. You are gonna be so good at Venn diagrams by the time we're done. Okay, Venn diagrams named after a guy named John Venn. And I don't remember anything else about him, but I did look up his first name the other day. All right, and they are good for organizing things, especially sets and subsets. Most of the time, the universal set is shown as a rectangle, and the subset is the oval inside. So I'm going to bring these guys back. So if I was talking about here, this would be my full set. And then if I wanted to talk about the red symbols, ones, then this one, this one, this one, and this one. Hold on. You know what? I want to draw that. And put it on the back of this. So here's my universal set. Okay, so I'm going to make a subset, and we're going to call this red shapes. So from my pile here, there's a red shape. That's not red. Oops, there's another red one. Not red, not red, not red, not red. There's a red one, goes in the middle. There's a red one. All the other ones go in the box. And I realize my diagram is way too small. But my red ones would go in here, and everything else is on the outside. The key, one of the keys in this section, is nothing gets marked down twice. So these red ones are a part of the bigger set, but they're also a subset. Okay, oh, I guess I just said that. Here, let me highlight it too. Each element is only in the diagram once. And this, like I said, has become super important. Now, you know what? I'm going to cheat. I'm going to shade the subset. So the subset is our handy dandy oval. Okay. Universal set is, if I go back to my front page, sample set, all the elements you are working with. Okay. So basically, is the whole box, including your subset. Okay. And although I realized once I finish my notes in the chapter, I'm a little ahead of myself. You can have subsets of subsets. Sets of subsets. I don't know how to say that. Okay. But this would be one subset. And it would include the smaller oval. And you can even have another one. There we go. Okay. So what we want to do is just spend a little bit of time practicing, make sure you know the difference between a set and a subset. It's pretty simple, but it's going to get more complicated later on. So you've got to make sure you have these beginnings. One of the things I find that's really easy for me to do is if I have two sets and I can see that some of the elements, got to get the right word, some of the elements are in both of them, what I'll do is I'll just be lazy and I'll connect. And what I can see, and again, we're starting out here, so I'm being super easy. All of the elements in here I found in this big one. So this is my universal set. This one must be my subset. It's small. Your subset has always got to be the same size or smaller. So the U, R, S, and Y go here. The key is when I put the rest of the letters out here, I only talk T, H, D, A. So all together, all the letters are covered. And I'm going to cheat. No, I'm going to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 4. There's 4 more. So this is set B. And this is the universal set. There we go. Okay, I want you to try this one. So I can't emphasize enough just being completely passive and watching me do the video and you not pausing the video and doing it on your own. It'll help, but not much. So please pause the video and do the next one. All right, so I can see that set L is a subset. I obviously can also tell that because we're talking about subsets, and subsets is all we've done so far. So M, H, Y, and I'll call this set L, and I guess I can call it set U. I called it universal set up there. I'm just going to follow what it says here. And the things I didn't write yet, so these ones I've already written. So 1, 2, 4, 5, and 8 need to be in the circle. Hold on. I think I wasted $3.95 on those pens. All right, next one. So here we have one with the extra circle. And I'm going to do the same thing I did before. Okay. So I know that set C is a subset of B, as it's a smaller group, right? We didn't include everything. We didn't include Turkey. And then if we go one more, I mean, it's not really too hard to figure out which one goes in the center. It's going to be the smallest one, right? So we got chicken and duck, and that's set C. And then if we go to set B, which is what I'm going to call this, we're going to write in everything we didn't write so far. So we've already got chicken, we've already got duck, but we need to put turkey in there. So that set B includes turkey, duck, and chicken, right? All three of them. Even though these guys are in a smaller subset, they're still part of the bigger set. And then whatever we haven't marked, which looks like pig, cow, goat, I like goats, and horse, go out there in the box. So this is set U, my universal set. And I'm going to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. It might seem silly to count them afterwards, but you'd be amazed, especially if you're doing an assignment or you're writing a test or something like that, and you get a little stressed out, how easy it is to misstep. And just taking the, I don't know, 3 seconds to count here and make sure you haven't missed anything. Oh, because the other thing that people will do is they will write chicken and duck here and chicken and duck here. Like they'll write everything in every single set. And then if you go to count, you'd have more than you actually had in your universal set. So that count is going to help you a lot. All right. Well, the video is done. I'm kind of think I should have put videos together, but it's all good. Have a lovely day. And that's the end of this one.